Hello learners. Welcome to this free Microsoft Excel course, so without any further ado let's begin. Hey there! Today we are going to learn how to find an average in Excel with this colorful sales card consisting figure of an year 2024. Did you notice something odd about these colors? Like I wouldn't have selected each cell and applied color to them. Did I? Who knows? Anyways, we have their yearly sales total using some function. And now time for average sales. The formula for finding out average is equal to average, then bracket open, and we select the range of our data and enter the closing bracket and press enter. Now, let's apply it in our report. We will use equal to then average a bracket open, and now we'll select the range and put closing bracket and enter. That's Joe's average sales. Now for the rest, we will select the empty cells below and press shortcut Ctrl+D. We have our average, but it does not looks good. Those point figures can be increased or round off. We'll learn this and that color boxes in another video. That's wrap up for this video. Do check out the playlist for more. Thank you for watching and hit that subscribe button.